Hello friends, welcome again. Today we'll be solving a problem related to DC machine. So the problem is a 4-pole motor is given and it is lap wound with 400 conductors. Now the pole shoe is 40 centimeter, okay, long. So 40 centimeter long, and B average is also given to us, which is zero point 0.2 Tesla, okay. The armature diameter is 30 centimeter, and he is asking what is the torque developed when the motor is running at 10 amps and at 1000 rpm. Okay, and so let us first see what is the data that he has given. So pole shoe length is given. So pole shoe, this is one pole, okay, and this will be extending like this, okay, throughout the length of the motor. So this is given to us, okay, this is 40 centimeter, okay, 40 centimeter, let's call it L, okay, capital L. Okay, this is given to us, and the dia is given to us. Okay, so dia is that cross section dia. Okay, so this D, okay, it is given to us, and this is 30 centimeter. So both these informations are there with us. Now what he is asking us is what is the torque developed. So what we can do first is, we know that the back EMF EB is equal to NP pi Z over 60A. Okay, now here N is the speed of the machine, which is given to us as 1000 rpm. Okay, P is the number of poles, which are 4. Okay, phi is not known, but we have to find this phi. Okay, Z is the number of conductors, which is 400. Okay, and this A is number of parallel paths, so it is lap wound, so A equals to P, hence A is equal to 4. Okay, so if we know EB, then what we can do is we can calculate power. Okay, so power is EP into armature current IA. Now this IA is also given to us. Okay, IA is 10 amps. Okay, so IA is given to us. Now what we can do is we can equate it to mechanical power. Okay, so EB, okay, into IA is equal to mechanical power will be tau into omega. Okay, so this is the torque which we need to find. So let us just substitute the value of EB here. So we get NP phi Z over 60A into IA equals to tau into omega will be 2 into pi into n over 60. Okay, now you can see there are couple of terms which will be cancelling. So let us rewrite this. Okay, so what we get if we rewrite this is tau is equal to P phi Z IA over 2 pi A, 2 pi capital A. Okay, so now in this equation you can see the only unknown here is this phi. Okay, so let us calculate this phi now. Okay, so if we calculate this phi, we can substitute it in this equation and we can finally get our torque. Okay, so let us calculate phi. So now phi is equal to, we know that flux is equal to B dot A. Okay, so we know that B average is given to us, so this is B average dot A, the area of cross section. Okay, and this has to be done per pole. Okay, because the flux has to be calculated per pole, so phi is equal to B dot A by P. Okay, so now B average is 0.2 Tesla already given to us. Okay, now A is the curved surface area of this machine. Okay, the curved surface area is, you can consider it like a cylinder. Okay, a cylinder's cross section area is this part. Okay, the curved part, so that is pi dl. Okay, so you can put here pi dl, okay, over P. P is the number of poles. Okay, now this is flux per pole. Okay, now this is flux per pole, I can write it as flux per pole. Please remember to divide it by P. Okay, here. So now what you get if you solve this, this comes out to be, if you calculate and put all the values here, because D is known to us, which is 40 centimeters, 40 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Okay, you can put here, oh sorry, this is L. so you can put this as L. Okay, so this is L, and D is 30 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Okay, that also you can put. So if you do all those calculations, you get 60 pi into 10 power minus 4, okay, Webers. Okay, so this is what you get. Now you have phi and you know all other values, so let us put it in the formula. Okay, so now let me write it again. Tau is equal to P phi Z into Ia over 2 pi a. Okay, and phi just now we calculated was 60 pi into 10 power minus 4 Webers. Now you can put all these values. Okay, now we know that P is equal to 4 and A equals to also 4. Okay, and Z is 400. Okay, this is also known to us again, and Ia is 10 amps. So all these values are there, so you can substitute these values and you can get tau is equal to 4 into 60 pi into 10 power minus 4, this is for phi, and into 400 into Ia is 10, okay, over 2 into pi into 4 is the number of parallel path. Now if you do all this calculation, you get 12 Newton meter. Okay, so the torque is going to be 12 Newton meter. Okay, so this is how you need to proceed for the problems where you have been given the cross section area and the length of the pole and the cross section dia. Okay, so thanks for watching.